Hi, I'm Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro Team Remax Lake of the Ozarks, and I am so excited to share with you my new listing today. It's a top floor condo, spacious with over 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, comes with furniture, comes with a 12 by 32 boat slip, 2 PWC slips, and these incredible views at the 35-mile marker. Let's head inside and take a look. We've got to look around because this is one of truly the best renovation updates I've ever seen at the Lake of the Ozarks. First thing is, you typically in a condo don't get spacious dining, but as you can see, full-size dining table, and there's additional counter seating in the kitchen. The kitchen renovation, incredible as well. When they purchased this, there were cabinetry here separating the kitchen from the living room. They removed that, added custom tall cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless appliances, the large kitchen sink, and it completely opened up the kitchen to the living room and to the lake views. Additionally, in the living room, they added this gorgeous stacked stone fireplace accent wall. As you can see from the tour, every inch of this condo was meticulously updated, from every stick of furniture, the lighting fixtures, the flooring, the painting, the paint choices in every room, all the decor. Everything was so well chosen. HGTV for sure. If you're interested in taking a look at this or you have questions, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005. or check us out at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks so much for watching.